I'm all for payments taking off in Bitcoin, and that's $4.75 million per day. Those aren't my words. They come from Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong, who is aiming to integrate the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Bitcoin also recently integrated the Lightning Network. This happened immediately after Binance halted Bitcoin withdrawals due to network congestion issues. And it seems like everyone wants to integrate the Lightning Network these days ahead of the bull run because of the growing popularity of Bitcoin ordinals, DeFi on Bitcoin, and inscriptions. As great as Bitcoin is, even die-hard fans have to admit it's not exactly scalable on-chain. Primarily because when the network is used intensively, fees shoot up, with two-figure transaction fees not being unheard of. And transaction fees can be quite slow, with an average block time of 10 minutes, but it not being impossible to even wait over an hour. The solution? That depends on who you ask, but there are two broad categories of solutions. Changing the protocol by, for example, going with bigger blocks, a perspective which led to the first Bitcoin community split back in 2017, and the appearance, of course, of Bitcoin Cash. Or scaling off-chain through, you guessed it, the Lightning Network. To focus on the second option, the main idea is that even a 6-digit number of transactions can be processed almost instantly by using a second-layer solution built on top of Bitcoin. More specifically, the Lightning Network is a separate entity but interacts with the Bitcoin network. Multiple so-called peer-to-peer channels are created just for such payments, with users transferring funds to one another without verifying the transaction on the Bitcoin network each time. Let's assume you go on a 1-month vacation and eat 3 times each day at your favorite restaurant. You will basically create a Lightning Network payment channel with that restaurant, send near-instant transactions at very low fees through it 3 times daily, and close the channel when your vacation ends, with all those small payments being consolidated as just one transaction that is broadcasted on the Bitcoin blockchain. The end result? Just one payment on the Bitcoin blockchain for that month as opposed to 3 meals per day. And so just like Bitcoin itself, you decide how involved you want to be in this process, from running a full node if you are enthusiastic as well as tech savvy, to simply using a Lightning wallet.